Hello students, welcome to our channel Max and Simple. Here we are seeing pair of linear equation in two variable of SSC Max Telangana, that is 10th class. In that exercise 4.1, sixth problem we are seeing. Okay, so let's start. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. If the length is 4 meter more than its width, then find the dimensions of the garden. So in this question, what he's saying that half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36. So he is giving one condition that if the half perimeter of a rectangular is 36, he is saying, and another condition he is giving if the length is 4 meter more than its width. If the length of that rectangular garden is 4 meter more than its width, he is saying, then we have to find the dimension of the garden he is asking. So by using these two condition, first condition and the second condition, he is asking us to find the dimension of the garden. What are dimension? That length and width only dimensions. So we have to find. So what we are doing? Let width of the garden equal to x meter we are taking. Okay, we are assuming. Let the width of the garden equal to x meter. Let the length of the garden equal to y meter we are taking. Okay. So we know the perimeter of rectangular is what? We know the formula, no? We know the perimeter of rectangular is what? 2 into L plus B. This is the formula which we have learned in our 9th class, 8th class only. That perimeter of rectangular is 2 into L plus B. So that only what we are doing, equal to 2 is there. So we are writing 2. Length, how much we took length? Length we took y meter. So here we are writing y. Next plus is there, plus we are writing breadth. Breadth is nothing but width only. Okay, so how much we took? X meter. So we are writing x. So this much we have got the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so from problem what he is giving, the condition half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is how much he is saying? 36. So perimeter what we got this, its half is equal to 36 he is saying. Okay, so that only we are doing, writing here from problem. Half is saying, no, so 1 by 2 of its perimeter. How much perimeter we got? 2 into y plus x equal to how much he is saying? 36 meter is saying. So that only we wrote 36. Okay. So this equation, one equation we have got. Okay. Next what he is saying, next condition what he gave, if the length is 4 meter more than its width. So if length is 4 meter more than its width, what is length here? Length is y. So what we are doing? Y equal to more than 4 more than he is saying, no? If length is 4 meter more than its width, so we should add 4. So 4 plus how much is width? X. So 4 plus x. Why? Because if the length is 4 meter more than its width, if length is 4 more than its width, from width it is 4 more than. So we are adding 4 plus how much is width? X. So 4 plus x. This is the second equation we have got from the problem. Okay. Now what we are doing? We will solve this problem. Okay. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what will be left? 5 plus x equal to 36 will be left. Okay. Why? Because this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So only y plus x equal to 36 will be left. We are keeping this y only this side. Okay. So y equal to 36 is there. We are writing 36 and we are sending this x to that side. So minus x it will come. Okay. Now what we should do? We should draw the table for this. Okay. Why? Because we have to show this graphically, we have to show, no? So now we are drawing a table. Okay, so we are taking here x value, here y equal to how much we got? 36 minus x, and here x comma y we are writing. Okay, so here we can take any value for x. I am taking here 10. Y equal to 36 is a 36 minus x is how much? 10 we took, no, here. So 36 minus 10 equal to 26. Okay, we got here 26. So here x and y value we should write how much? X 10 comma 26. Okay, next I am taking x value as 20. So y equal to 36 minus x is there, no? 36 minus x, how much x we took? 20. So 36 minus 20 equal to how much we will get? 16. So what is the value? X and y? 20 comma y is 16. 20 comma 16. Now I am taking x value as 30. So y equal to, here 36 minus x is 36 minus x, how much we took here? 30. So 36 minus 30 equal to 6. Okay, so what we got here, x value is 30. So 30 comma y value, how much we got? 6. So you may get it out why we took here 10, 20, 30. Always I am taking 0, 1, 2 in our previous problem. No, so why I took means here 36 is there. So from 36, how much we are taking x value, that much we are removing. No, if I took 36 minus 1 means it will become 35. So graph will become so much of big. So I am taking 10, 20, 30 like that. Okay. So x y value we are getting here 26 and 16 like that. Okay. So now for second condition also we will draw the table. What is second condition? We got y equal to 4 plus x. Okay. So here x I am writing and y is how much? 4 plus x. Y equal to 4 plus x. X comma y here I am writing. How much is x here also? Here also I am taking x value as 10. So y equal to 4 plus x. So 4 plus how much is x we took here? 10. So 4 plus 10 equal to how much? 14. So x and y value I am writing here. How much? X 10 comma 14. Now I am taking 20 as x value. So y equal to 4 plus x. 4 plus how much? X 20. So 4 plus 20 equal to 24. X is 20. Y how much we got? 24. Next I am taking x value as 13. We can take any. Okay. I am taking 13. Y equal to 4 plus x. So 4 plus x is how much? I am taking 13. 30. So 4 plus 30 is how much? 34. So x how much? I took 30 comma y how much is y? 34. So 30 comma 34 we wrote. Now what we will do? We will draw the graph for this. Okay. So we will take a graph paper. Here I am taking a graph paper. And this horizontal line, what we call this horizontal line as? We call this horizontal line as x-axis, and this vertical line we call as y-axis. Okay. And where this x-axis and y-axis both are intersecting, what we will put there? We will put there 0, and we call that point as origin. Okay. Now we have to take the scales. Scale means how much we should increase from here to next box when we are starting next box, how much we should increase. We have to see there. Okay. So first we will see x and y value, how much we are getting. X and y values are 10 here, 26 here, 20, 16, 36. Here also 10 comma 14 x and y value, 20 comma 24, 30. So they are more values now. Greater than 10 only. You know, this all values are x and y greater than 10. Okay, here somewhat less 6, but they almost all the values of an x and y are greater than 10. So what I am doing, I am taking scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Okay, so on x-axis I am increasing 10 units. On y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. It means that from here, from 0, when we start to next box, we should increase 10. From here to here, 10. From 10 to next box, it will become 20. From 20 to next box, it will become 30. 30 to next box, 40. Like that, we will goes on. Here also same like that. But here negative signs, okay? On the x-axis, always the right-hand side will be positive and the left-hand side will be negative. On y-axis also, always the above value will be positive and the below value will be negative. Here also, we should increase 10, 10. From here, 0 to next box means 10. 10 to next box means 20. 20 to next box, 30. 30 to next box, 40. 1, 1 I am increasing, okay? Next, so now we will see what are the points. First point is 10 comma 26, okay? So I will take the pencil. 10 comma 26 is the first point. Okay. So I will write here 10 comma 26. This is x value and this is y value. So on x-axis, see where 10 is there. So on x-axis 10 is here. So from this position we should see where we are getting 26. Here I got 20. So now next what we have to do, 26 is saying, okay. So 10, next point will be 21, next 22. You may get it out why we are increasing 1, 120 is there. Next, in previous video, we are increasing only 0.120, 0.120, 0.3 like that. We have increased, no? So how we should increase? Because here we took, how much we took scale? 10. 10 we know we took, no? We are increasing 10, 10. So what we have to do? We are increasing 10. For how much we are increasing? 10 divided by, in one box, how many slight lines will be there? 10 slight lines will be there, no? So that much we should divide. 10 divided by 10 equal to how much? We will get 1. So what we have to do? we have to take that slight line as 1 1 we have to take. Okay, why? Because we are getting here 1 as answer. Okay, like that. If suppose if I took this here 1 centimeter equal to, in place of 10 I took 20, means what will happen? If I took here 20 means, see how much we have. If I took here 20 means 20 divided by, in one box how many slight lines will be there? How many slight lines will be there? 10. So 20 divided by 10. So what we will get? 10 ones are 10 twos are. So equal to 2. So means what we have to do? 2 2 we have to see this slight lines, we have to see. Here 10 is there, no? So next 12 it will become. Slight line will be 12 will become. Next slight line will become 12 after 14. 2 2 we have to increase. 14. Next slight lines will become 16. Next will become 18. So 2 2 we have to increase. Like that we have to see for slight line how much we have to increase, like that. By using this scale, by seeing this scale, we have to see how much we have to, how much value we should give for that slight lines. Okay, so here I am increasing 10 points. So what we have to do? 10 divided by how many slight lines will be there? 10. So 10 ones are 10. So 1 1 we have to say. Next, okay, 1 1 we have to say. 10 here, no? So next slight line will be 10 after 10, 1 will increase means 11. Next will be 12. Next 13, next 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like that. Okay. So now we will see what is the first point. What is first point? 10 comma 26 is first point. Okay. So on x-axis where is 10? Here. So from this position we have to see where we are getting 26. Here we got 20. Okay. Now 26 means we will, here 20, no? Next 21. Next 22. Next slide line will be 23. Next slide line 24. Next will be 25. Next will be 26. So here I am getting point. So I put there cross mark. Next point is how much? 10, 20 comma 16. 20 comma 16 is there. Okay. I will write here 20 comma 16. 20 comma 16. What is x value? 20 and y value is 16. So on x-axis where we are getting 20 here. From this position we should see where we are getting 16. Here 0 from 20. Here 20, no? So slight line will be 1. Next will be 2. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we got, no? See here my x value is 20 and y value is 16. Okay. So on x-axis where we are getting 20? Here. So from this position we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 16. So here is 10. After 10 now how much we will increase? 1 1 we have to increase, no? 10. Next slight line will be 11. Next slight line will be 12. Next line will be 13. Next slight line will be 14. Next will be 15. Next will be 16. Okay. Here we got a 1.6. So we will draw their cross mark. Okay. Next, what is third one? 30 comma 60. I will write here 30 comma 60. 30 comma 6. 30 comma 6 that is. So on x-axis this is x value now always, and this is y value. So on x-axis where we are getting 30 here. So from here we have to see where we are getting y value. How much is y? 6. So from 30, here 0 is from 30, no? So like slight line will be 1. Next will be 2. Next slight line will be 3, 4. Next 5. Next 6. Here we are getting. Slight lines, 1 1 slight line. Here we are taking 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we got. Now we have to take the scale and we have to join all those points like this. Okay. We are joining that points like this. So we will get one straight line. Okay. Now for second box also we have to draw this on the graph, plot that points on the graph. So what are the second table we will see? 10 comma 14 is there. So here I will write 10 comma 14. 10 comma 14. How much is x? 10. How much is y? 14. So on x-axis where is 10? Here 10. So on y-axis we should check where we are getting 14. Here from here to here we are 10. Next after 10 this slight line will be there. No, there whenever we are seeing. Okay, 10. Next 11. Slight line will be 11. Next slight line will be 12. Next slight line will be 13. Next will be 14. So here we should put one cross mark. Okay. Next, what is next point? 20 comma 24. Okay. 20 comma 24. So here I will write 20 comma 24. So on x-axis this is always x value. Okay, this is x value and this will be always y value. So on x-axis where is 20? Here. So on y value we should see from this position where we are getting 24. So here I have got 20. Next slight horizontal line will be there. No, it will be 21. Next 22. Next 23. Next 24. Here I have got. Okay, 24. Next, what is the third point? 30 comma 34. 30 comma 34. Here I will write 30 comma 34. 30 comma 34. This is x value and this is y value. So on x-axis where we are getting 30 here. So from this position we should see where we are getting 34. Here 30 we got. Okay, next 34 means that slight line will be 31. Next slight line will be 32. Next will be 34, 33. Next will be 34. So here I have got 34 and I have drawn cross mark. Now we should take a scale and now we should join all those points. Okay, like this. So what we are seeing? We are seeing that both the lines are intersecting. Yes, the both lines are intersecting. No, so that the point where they are intersecting, that is the only the answer. So we should see here where they are intersecting on x-axis. So this is the position. Okay, so this line. So how, what will be the value? Here 10. No, 10 means next slight line will be 11. Next slight line will be 12, 13, 14. This is 15 and here this is 16. Here at this point only they are intersecting. No, so on x-axis they are intersecting at 16. So we wrote 16 comma, on y-axis at which point? 20. So 16 comma 20. So this is the answer we are writing here. See, as in the graph 16 comma 20 is the point of intersection. So the width of the garden, how much we took? X meter we took. No, here this is the we got 2 points. So always this will be what? This side will be always x value. This side will be always x value and this will be y value. So x centimeter we took. So how much is x here? 16. So 16 meter we got. Next, so the length of the garden, how much we took? Y meter. So what is y? We got 20. So equal to 20 meter. Okay. So the width is 16 and the length is 20 we have got. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.